5 ducklings! Bye-bye! 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. Eighty-do!
4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. Eighty-do!
3 ducklings splash, 3 little ducks jumped in the stream, bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back. Baby coach and
2 ducklings roam, 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 2 ducklings came back.
eighty-do! 1 duckling lost, 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but just 1 duckling found the way back. Eighty-do!
No ducklings left, no little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings came running back.
Eighty-do!
Happy family dance!
Mother duck smiled.
Quack, quack, hooray, all 5 ducklings back to stay. They splashed and played in the shiny stream, happily dancing in a sunny glee.